full, storage full, critical, storage full, of data loss. Data, what happened? Critical. Failure increase. Failure increase. Because, guys, my data is full. What is critical storage is full rest for data loss and device failure increase. What is the problem of this, guys? I don't know this one. How? How can I how can I manage to storage? Manage. Manage to storage. Meaning this one is full already. So that's